Welcome once again to example 3 on the relations involving fractions under the change of subject. In the previous videos, we started learning about relations involving fractions under the change of subject, and we've done a detailed explanation on it, and we've solved some examples on it as well. And I hope you all understood it and you enjoyed the lesson as well. So this is a continuation to solve another example with you so that you get a better understanding of it. So this is example 3. So it means we've already done example 1 and 2 in the previous video. So I will advise that you do well to watch the previous videos, because the previous videos lays the foundation, okay, the basic understanding and knowledge that you need about this. I've done all those explanations in the previous videos. So do well to watch the previous videos so that you get a good foundation to be able to handle this example as well. So let's go ahead and solve the example that I have on the board. So example 3, it says make M the subject of the relation 1 over n equals to t over m. Okay, so we are being asked to make M the subject. It means we should make M stand alone in the given equation. Okay, I've explained to you that when they ask you to make something the subject of a given equation, it means make that thing stand alone. Okay, so everything which is attached to the particular variable that they are asking you to make the subject, you are going to move it away so that that variable can stand alone in the given equation. Okay, and that is you making a particular variable the subject. Okay, so in this equation we have 1 over n equals to t over m, and we are being asked to make m the subject. So let's go ahead and solve it together. So let me write down my solution. So I have 1 over n equals to t over m, okay, and we are being asked to make m the subject. Okay, and I've explained to you from the previous videos that anytime you have an equation that contains fraction, the first thing to do is to multiply through by the LCM. Okay, very important, and don't forget that anytime you have an equation that contains fraction, the first thing to do is to multiply through by the LCM. With this equation, we are being asked to make m the subject, but you can see that it's an equation that contains fractions, so we first have to multiply through by the LCM. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so the LCM here is going to be this n times the m, and that is going to be mn. Okay, I hope you agree with me. Okay, I've explained this under the linear equation. Okay, we've learned about this. Okay, finding the LCM when the denominators of the fractions are not numbers but variable. Okay, so you conduct a multiplication of it. Okay, I've explained to you that you find the LCM using the denominators of the fraction. Okay, so looking at the fractions here, I have 1 over n and I have t over m. The denominators are n and n, so for me to get the LCM, it is a multiplication of this n and the m. Okay, and that gives me mn. Okay, so we are going to multiply through the equation by the LCM, which is mn. I hope you agree with me up to this point. So let's go ahead and multiply through by the LCM, which is mn. So I'm going to get mn times 1 over n equals to mn times t over m. Okay, I hope you understand up to this point. Okay, let's go ahead and do some simplification. We know that this n and this n can cancel away, so I'll cancel this n and this n away. And when I come here, this m and this n can also cancel away, so we cancel this m and this m away. So let's take our time and write what we have left. What I have left here is m. Okay, so m times this one, it gives me m. Okay, so my m equals, so what I have left here is n. N times this t gives me nt. I hope you agree up to this point. Okay, and you can see that m is standing alone from this equation, so it means we've made m the subject. Okay, so the question says make m the subject. It means we should make m stand alone in the given equation. Okay, so with this, m is standing alone, so we are done. So our m equals to nt. Okay, and that is it by making m the subject from the given equation. I hope the explanation was clear enough and you understood it as well. Don't forget to like the video and also share the video as well. And if you are watching for the first time, please do well to follow the page as well. Bye bye.